Hi all, how you doing? Hope you're doing great wherever you are in the world. So I do have an Uphold wallet. Uphold is a UK company that's FCA registered. Okay, so if you want to get into crypto, you can use Uphold. Now I haven't really been using Uphold, if I'm honest with you, but I did see this email. It says here, last chance to review your investor type. Hi, John. This is your last reminder to review your investor type and submit your annual categorization statement. As a regulated financial institution, we must ask you this every 12 months. For this reason, you'll be asked to update your information. To avoid any account restrictions, please complete the categorization statement by 16th of the 12th, 2024. I'm thinking, bloody hell, it's the 15th of December now. They haven't given me much time. But on reflection, I did do an Uphold, a search for Uphold, and I did find some emails in November. So they've already warned me. Okay, so I was thinking this must be spam. Okay, because they're only giving me 1 day. So if you do get an email like this, and there's a good chance scammers might be using an email like this. So do be careful where it comes from. Okay, so do make sure that it's actually from the actual Uphold or whatever company that's doing a similar email. Okay, so um, let me know in the comments if you hold Uphold, or if you're a user of Uphold. I haven't really used it. I used it basically to because it was something to do with Brave, and I wanted a wallet. This is years ago. I set this up with Uphold. And I get some BAT tokens, okay, for using Brave browser or something like that. And so I haven't really used it for anything else. So I think I've got to get like tons and tons of BAT tokens before I can actually use it for that. So who knows? But it's something that I want to keep hold just in case it could become useful in the future. It could be used for off-ramping or on-ramping or something like that. So I don't want to lose my Uphold uh, uh, my Uphold account. So I better get on with and fill this in. Okay. So when I go here, I get this kind of thing. So time to review your data. To keep an accurate snapshot of you as a customer, we sometimes ask you to review or provide additional data. Please complete the following tasks. Says here it's going to take 3 minutes. So I'm going to do that, or not in this video, okay? But this is the sort of thing that you should be getting anyway. Let me know in the comments if you've got an Uphold account and do you use it, and what are the fees like and things like that. What's it like to onboard and offboard? If have you used a bank account with Uphold? Let me know in the comments. I'd be really interested in that kind of thing.